My name is Ruben Carrion. My company is CR&R Transport. I'm based from Kissimmee, Florida. I do flatbed, a lot of construction materials on it. Yeah, I run from most of the time Georgia to Missouri and Kansas City area and back to Jefferson City and Jefferson City back to Florida.
Okay.
That's about it,
That's pretty.
2 loads a week. I'm from Panama, Central America, Panama Canal.
But you've been here for how many
About
decades?
37, 38 years. And,
Okay.
yeah. Well, my mother married my stepdaddy.
Okay.
He was in the U.S. Air Force, but when I was back in Panama, I used to work in the fields, cutting sugar cane
Okay.
and bulls. And to this day, we still got bulls and wagons to put freight.
Okay.
My stepdaddy, by that time, retires from the Air Force. He was
Okay.
working in a warehouse in Orlando, Florida, and then he got me a job working in the warehouse with him. And then I started learning, forklift and then trucks, and then, I don't know, about another 18, 20 years later, I bought my own truck, and
Okay.
I've been trucking now. I got my own authority.
Pretty.
I'd say about 15 years, 16 years.
Sure.
Yeah. I bought a brand new one in 2000,
Okay.
and then about a year and a half ago, I restored, paint the truck, and
Okay.
I still got it, brand new one.
Yeah.
I got my own guys built those, the
Panels.
for me, and I stripped the whole truck, and I took it to a shop to get it painted, and then I bring it home and I put it together.
Yeah.
Yeah, I shut it down for 3 months.
Okay.
I'm a little bit different because I got all my equipment paid off, and
Yeah.
I've been trucking for so long, and I just, I don't, not in that situation with big truck payments, and
How much work did you put into this truck a year ago when you did it, though? Yeah.
in the chrome and paint I put 18,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you do any mechanical work too at
No,
the same time?
yes, no, not well. The motor was done about 4 years ago.
Okay, it's been a
Yeah,
while.
but the truck have over 2 million miles on it.
Okay.
But my speedometer, I lost it several times. I
Yeah.
had to replace it.
Yeah.
Because I don't. See, I want to know the original mile. I had to take it to the dealer.
Yeah.
And I just do my oil analysis, keep maintenance, and
Yeah.
actually 2 weeks ago I did the oil analysis and everything was good.
Cool.
I said, okay, I'm gonna keep it running.
Right.
Yeah.
Run it as
Easy, I had to rebuild. I just take it to the shop, cut a peel, and rebuild it one more time, and I'll probably be done. Yeah. I
And,
strip everything. I took every piece of chrome out,
Yeah.
brackets, mirrors, breathers, pipe, everything on, and then I took the guy and painted, and it took me 2 weeks to put it together.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I bought all the pipe new and all the chromes on it. The
Yeah.
only original is the breathers and the mirrors.
The breathers and the mirrors are
yeah.
original,
Yeah, and then the rest is all.
polished. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
A little donkey, I work like a donkey.
New stacks.
Yeah, they are all.
Yeah. New
That's the
stacks.
third set.
Describe this a little bit for me here and where that came from.
The flag.
The flag is
Yeah, it was
on
a
the back of the-
custom made guy from Orlando.
Okay.
Yeah, I look at it in the internet, and he made it for me the size you wanted.
And what is it made of?
Aluminum
It's
and
alu-
powder coated. Yeah.
Okay.
hmm And then he got different. I decided to put in God We Trust on it.
You get the sort of half fender treatment here.
Mm. Talladega in
Okay.
Alabama.
Yeah.
There. The front ones and the back ones on the front and the stock. That means I got it from them. Over there. Well, from Georgia or Alabama, yeah, look at the internet and find loads. And then from Missouri back to Florida, I've been working with the same broker, Rite-Way, for the last 15 years, 14, 15 years.
Okay.
Yeah. I leave
That's
Sunday
cool.
by noon, and then I'm back home Thursday night or Friday morning, depend what. Because there's guys in Rite-Way in Jefferson City. They load me some 340 stop. They gave me a lot of Miami. I don't mind. I like it. They pay me pretty decent. I don't say the best, but they
Sure.
they are guys. They always there.
Right.
I don't.